Dear students, good morning, namaste. We completed 18 parts of vector algebra and we discussed so many things. Dot product, we completed one exercise and cross product. Now we are in a cross product. Cross product definition and notation and geometrically the proof. What is A bar cross B bar? Every time I am telling you. A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar, mod B bar, sin theta, not cos theta. Sin theta, n cap. Every time we have to take it down. You learn it well. You remember it well. Right? Because it is a somewhat a different and difficult concept. Vector algebra is a very large and important branch of mathematics. In that one, cross product is a different one. Vector product is a different concept. If you take it in account, if it is recorded in our mind well, then it helps more. You see that? Dot product is A bar dot B bar is mod A bar, mod B bar, cos theta is simply. The dot product, what is the dot product means? It's a work done. When we use some force and a stone is replaced from one to one place, that is A to B, a force is applied. The work done there is A bar dot B bar. It's okay now. That is the thing. A to B is B bar, a vector is there. A to B, some length is there, a point and another point, direction is there. Our force is A bar, here is B bar. So work done is mod A bar, mod B bar, cos theta. It is very simple, we can understand it well. Whereas A bar cross B bar is mod A bar, mod B bar, sin theta, n cap. There the problem is there. But you simply take it that one, that concept, simply you apply. How can we apply the formula? How can solve the problem? By using this formula. That's all. Slowly you can understand. Previously, in the 17th part, I explained it in a different way. Scalar product. A bar cross B bar means mod A bar, mod B bar, sin theta, n cap. N cap is direction. Mod A bar, mod B bar, very simply. Mod A bar cross B bar means it is mod A bar, mod B bar, sin theta, n cap. N cap is direction, and all this one is its a magnitude. It is a vector. That is why it is called as a vector product. In that vector product, you see that A bar cross B bar means very simply you take and you remember it. The screw is there, nut is there. Suppose screw is like that. Nut, we fix nut on the tip of the screw. If we use the thumb and the forefinger, you rotate one force A bar, another force is B bar. Then slowly that nut will comes down or comes up like that. Okay, Nana? That is the best example. So that movement is, there is a movement from upwards to downwards or downwards to upward. Like that you take it. So it is also a vector. That is the thing. Okay, na? Why? Because every time I am clearly, number of times I am giving the same example and explaining one second. Okay, number of times. Because it is a somewhat different and a difficult concept. Okay, now for properties over, A bar cross A bar is 0. Why? Because the first one, A bar cross A bar, or that means it is 0. A bar cross A bar means mod A bar, again mod A bar, it is a sin theta naught, sin 0 degrees. Why? Because the vector with itself makes angle 0 into some n cap, is a direction. So sin 0 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So cross product of a vector with itself is 0. Or two parallel vectors are there. A bar and B bar, two parallel vectors. Like this, two parallel vectors are there. It is A bar and it is a B bar. its angle is 0 degrees or 180 degrees also you take it. Then its cross product, its vector product is also 0 because sin 0 is 0. That is the first property. Again A bar cross B bar not equal to B bar cross A bar. But A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar. Third one is mutually unit vectors, perpendicular unit vectors, I, J, K. On that one, I explained that one. Third property. Now, the very important is this property, fifth one. It's a very, very important concept. Try to understand it. You learn this proof also. Okay, now? Here, A bar and B bar are component vectors. A bar is defined as A1i plus A2j plus A3k. B bar is B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Then A bar cross B bar, very simply it is formed. You see how beauty it is. IJK is the first row. A1, A2, A3. What are A1, A2, A3? They are the components, scalar components or DRs. Already. Okay now? A1, A2, A3, the second row. B1, B2, B3 is the third row. Very simply you can write it. First, before this one, going to proof, I will simply you learn it. A bar cross B bar, suppose it is I minus J plus K. Cross of 2I minus 3J plus 5K is there. Just to assume. Then, it's not possible to multiply it. Fourth property also is explained. Distributive law is followed. Yeah, without proof. Yeah, okay, leave it on. By using the distributive law, you see, by multiplying I cross 2I, I cross minus 3J, I cross 5K, like that, it is very clumsy, very difficult. But the formula, the method is I, J and K. It is one coefficient, 1, J coefficient minus 1 and it is 1. And it is 2 minus 3 and it is 5. Okay, now how can you expand it? It is determinants. Already we successfully solved. I of this one, I of minus 1 into 5, minus 5, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus j of 1 into 5, 5, minus 2 into 1 is 2, plus k cap of 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 2 into minus 2, it is minus 2. So it is minus 5 plus 3, minus 2i. It is 5 minus 2, 3, minus 3j. It is minus 3 plus 2, minus k. Okay, Nina? It's very simple. This is important in our mathematics, not that one. It is a different one, proofs. But for this fifth property, you have to learn the proof also. Okay, now I am going to explain the proof. Okay, observe. You see, I am taking A bar cross B bar. What is A bar given? A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Cross of B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Okay, now distributive law is followed. You know it. Distributive. What is distributive law? Distributive law is a distributive law. Distributive A bar cross of B bar plus A bar. Distributive means with respect to addition. You simply know it. With respect to addition. You see, A1i cross B1i. A1, B1 are multiples, numbers, scalars. Okay, now. So 5 into 3 like that. It is put it in the part. A1 B1 I cross I plus A1 B2 I cross J. Okay na? It is I cross J. Again A1 B3 I cross K. You agree? Yeah. It is first as well. A to J cross B1I. It is I. B1I. So it is A to B1 J cross I. A to J plus B2. B2J is there. A to B2 J cross J only. Next plus A to J cross of B3K. A3 B3. This is B3. Okay na B3. J cross K. Okay na. Next A3 B1 K cross I. Okay na. A3 B2 K cross J. Okay na. Next A3 B3 K cross K. Slowly you take it down. Right. Here the thing. I cross I by using the third property. I cross I. The cross product with itself is 0. We know it. I cross I is 0. Similarly, J cross J is 0. Okay na? Similarly, K cross K is 0. Okay na? Whereas, you see, I cross J is important. I cross J is K cap. Already mentioned in that one. You see, I, J, K. It is I cross J. I cross J. It is a right-handed system. I am writing R. Means right-handed system. In right-handed system, observe me. You see, I cross J means K. J cross K means I. K cross I means J. That is that. Whereas I, J, K. It is a left-handed system. You take it. It is always positive. It is always negative. I cross J means minus K. Negative. Minus K will come. J cross K means minus I. Because it is negative. It is a left-handed system. IJK is right-handed system here. But here it is left-handed system. I to K, K to J, J to I. Like that. At the time we get negative. Okay, it's already given in that property. Like that I cross J is K. Okay na? Next I cross K. I cross K. It is in left-hand system. Don't confuse. You slowly you take it down. I cross K means minus J. J cross I, left-handed system, minus K. And it is always 0. J cross K. J cross K, it is right-handed system, I. It is I only. Next, K cross I, yes, it is right-handed system, J. Next, K cross J, left-handed system, reversed, so minus I. Okay, the remaining are zeros. So this one is deleted, it is deleted and is also deleted. So the 0 is anything 0. 0 plus something is that something. But here 2 times K is there, 2 times I is there, 2 times J is there. I take, you see, a common. First, I want to take I as common because 2 terms is related with I. I is, if you take as common, A to B3 minus, here minus is there, minus A3 B2. You see there. I of A to B3 minus A through B2. Okay na? Yeah. Next, minus J I am taking common in this 2 1. Minus J, minus J. Minus J, if you take common, first this term will come. A1 B3, there you see there. Minus A3 B2, A3 B1. Why? Because minus is taken as common. Of course, here is a plus is there, but minus is there. I am taking minus J, so it is a minus A3 B1. You have to calculate your own effort. Next, K term. K is here. If you take a plus K only, plus K is A1 B2 minus this minus A2 B1 is there. Yeah. But you may get some doubt. Why you are taking plus I is okay, plus K is okay. Minus J, what is this? For some purpose. You observe. The determinant, this expression is simply, it is the determinant it will come. You say, I, J, K, I, J, K. I of determinant, you see, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. I of A2, B3 minus A3, B2. Is it okay now? Yeah. Minus A, this is a plus, this is minus, this is plus. In the determinant, you know, you remember that one. I observed many times in the assignments, you wrote that solutions for the questions, assignment questions very well. Okay, na? Yeah, you followed well. I am satisfied. But anything is there, not only in the matrices, determinants, or in the inverse trigonometric functions, it is a very first one. At the time, not only in the total in the country, it is the first time online classes. So many difficulties are there. Already I told you. Why? Because I am telling that the previous thing. Inverse trigonometry means it is a somewhat difficult concept. So when we come on offline classes, on that board clearly I will clarify those doubts. Again I will take the classes. Okay, na? So leave it out. This concept, the plus minus plus. I of A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Okay, na? Minus J of there, minus J of A1 B3 minus A3 B1. Okay, na? Next, K of K is lying in the first row and the third column. So you delete that one, A1 A2 B1 B2. A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is there. So this expression is nothing but this one. Okay, na? So a bar cross B bar is already, I gave one example. You take this example also. Okay, na? This is the result. Okay, na? Like that you follow. You by heart this 5 properties also important. But fifth one is very important. Okay, na? Yeah.